Here you see the Apex frame assembled, and I've attached a large sturdy desk tray to it. Notice the sag along the top of the frame. I left the bolts loose so that when I attach the top of the desk, it will bring everything into alignment. That's why they recommend setting the desktop upside down on the floor to ensure good square alignment. On the back, I've attached the shelf to hold my PC. I had to remove the controller module in order to accommodate it. Here's the back view after mounting the 64-inch wide top. I added 2 power strips, 4-port Ethernet switch, and used lots of cable ties and Velcro to manage the cable mess. Note I reattached the control module along the back ledge on the right. I added this desk grommet to handle the video and USB cables. And here on the left, I attached the control panel and a 4-port USB hub. All finished. Good job, Apex.